Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time you're seeing this face, my name is Rarisu Maribi. On this channel I film contents about my life in the United States as a PhD student, sustainability education videos and lifestyle. So today I'm bringing you a student apartment tour. So personally, I love looking at apartments, be it student apartment or luxury apartment, mansions. I really just love like touring apartments, and because I cannot always go physically to tour, I always like to watch apartment tour videos here on YouTube. So it's fall of 2022 right now, and most apartments are sending out their lease agreement, like to renew your lease and all. And so I know some people might be renewing their lease or might be looking for new apartments to stay in. So I just decided to film this student apartment tour when I went touring this particular apartment. It's the socials at USF. So USF students, yeah, this one's for you. You can watch to see if you love to stay in this apartment. And I have a whole playlist for tours that include hotel tours, apartment tours. You can check it out to see my other student apartment tours, and if you like hotel tours, you can check it out too. So let's just jump right into the store.
Just a tiny bit.
So,
Yeah.
but the
This will
arrangement,
be there.
yeah,
Everything.
even the
Regarding
chairs.
not the chairs. So I'll go over. So you'll get the dining table with the two chairs, the fridge, the stove, microwave, dishwasher, washer and dryer will be right here.
Okay, this is big enough. Oh, okay, this is good.
And then for the rooms, you're gonna in the 2-2, you're gonna have this one over here and the other one on the other side. And for yeah, the furniture included would be the mattress, bed frame, stand, desk, bookshelf, desk chair, closet, bathroom, and then you're gonna have the dresser.
The closets are the same size.
Yeah, closet is the same size as it is here, and in your apartment is gonna have yours.
So I'm going to have this.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So the shelf and the desk underneath.
And the color is different, right? Sorry, I'm
Yeah,
checking the.
it's like
Oh, okay. Why can't you guys just paint white? Why? Like nobody has like suggested that.
I mean, you just have to paint it back to gray.
Oh, really? Because like I'm like, also me, I'm a content creator, and white just looks better.
Yeah.
Okay, this is okay actually.
In the living room, you're gonna have the couch, the side chair, coffee table, side table, and then the TV on this one.
Oh, I'm not going to have this.
No. That's what I mentioned.
Yeah.
And then this is what we
I
do.
like how the this looks bigger.
It's the placement of the room,
Oh,
but they're all the same size. They're all like 10 by 12.
Yeah, this looks. I like the like. It looks big. It looks more spacious because I can put my YouTube stuff there. Okay, then there's the balcony, right?
Yeah, and this is the balcony.
Wait, is this added? No.
Lamp is not included. Only the side.
Because I just want to quickly see it.
So pretty much none of the decorations are gonna be included.
Like yeah, so no curtain.
No, only the furniture.
Oh, okay. You guys added the bag. Okay. thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like this type of video, please leave a comment and tell me what apartment you'd love me to tour next, what type of apartment, and hopefully I'll bring it to you guys. Until next time, continue to live consciously, and I'll see you in my next video.